Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to fix the Snapchat public profile not showing. If your Snapchat public profile is not showing, it's often because of privacy settings not being configured, an outdated app version, or account eligibility issues. You can fix this by checking your privacy center settings, updating Snapchat from the Play Store, and contacting support through the Help Center if the option still doesn't appear. First, open the Snapchat application on your mobile device. Now tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen to access your account page. Here, tap on the settings icon located at the top right corner. Scroll down until you reach the safety and privacy section and tap on it. Now tap on Privacy Center to review your account privacy settings. Make sure everything is set correctly. After that, go back to your home screen and open the Google Play Store or App Store for iOS. Search for Snapchat in the search bar and tap on it. Here, check if an update is available. If yes, tap on Update to install the latest version. Now go back to Snapchat and open Settings again. Scroll down and tap on Help Center. Next, scroll and tap on Privacy. Here, tap on Privacy Settings to explore more options. Now search for Public Profile in the search bar. Tap on what is a public profile on Snapchat to open the article. Scroll down and tap on No One Asked. Was this article helpful? Then select the option, This article didn't answer my question or solve my problem. Finally, tap on Submit to send feedback and request further assistance. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.